You are familiar with the word Islamic banking. Mostly, what people want to know about Islamic banking is where it came from. Is Islamic banking really Islamic? And was there a concept of banking at the time of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? In this video, we are going to answer all these questions. Plus, we will give you a short overview of growing demand of present Islamic finance industry. And if you are finance professional, why should you consider learning Islamic finance, and why AIMS is a first choice of professionals who are seeking quality education in Islamic finance. Let us first discuss the origins of Islamic banking and financial system. The origins of Islamic financial system can be traced back from the time of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Trading was main source of income of people living in Mecca. In Mecca, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to carry out merchandise to Syria on business partnership basis. When Prophet migrated to Medina, the main source of income of people living in Medina was agriculture. They used to make a forward contract for prescribed dates to be delivered later in 1, 2 or 3 years' time. This was the ancient form of salam. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, allowed this kind of transactions under some conditions. In addition to that, Islamic modes of transactions that Prophet allowed in his time include shirka, ijara and surf. Later, during 8th and 12th centuries, the Muslim world developed several Sharia-based financial instruments, including hawala, trusts, promissory notes, bills of exchange and check system. In mid of 19th century, Islamic world started practicing modern Islamic banking system, which is derived from Quran, Hadith, Ijma, and Qiyas. In this system, all the prohibited elements have been excluded, such as usury, uncertainty, and speculation. It is a very common concept that Islamic banking is not really Islamic. As a matter of fact, there is no issue with the Islamic banking as a system. But due to some commercial-minded bankers and investors, the industry is facing few issues. However, these problems are minimizing over the time. There is a major difference between conventional banking and Islamic banking systems. For example, you want to start a manufacturing plant. If you go to a conventional bank, the bank will pay you the money for the business, and will charge you an interest on that money. In a contrary, if you go to an Islamic bank, they will make partnership with you in your business. Since the financial risk is borne by investors, only people with skilled business proposals come up. This strengthens the economy of the society, and this is the reason why the Islamic banks were unaffected by recent international banking and subprime mortgage crisis. The importance of Islamic financial system cannot be ignored, because it is an essential need of Muslims around the world, and that is 24% of total world's population. This percentage is expected to reach 35%, to outnumber any other religion by year 2050. Important thing is that Islamic banking is also popular among non-Muslims because of the following reasons. It condemns usury, which is also strictly forbidden in Christianity, Judaism, Buddhism, and Hinduism. It is an ethical and moral banking system, which condemns taking advantage of others' misfortunes. Due to all these facts, Islamic finance is now trillions of dollars industry, with a yearly growth rate of more than 20%. There are tens of thousands of job openings every month in more than 100 countries, where skilled Islamic finance professionals are needed. Considering the growing demand of Islamic finance professionals, AIMS started offering Islamic finance programs in year 2005. Today, thousands of AIMS graduates are offering their services to leading financial institutions worldwide. AIMS is a UK-based institution, and is among the pioneers of Islamic finance education. AIMS provide quality education, which is well recognized by financial institutions globally. Leading Islamic finance scholars from all over the world are associated with AIMS to produce highly skilled Islamic finance professionals. Islamic Finance Qualification Form AIMS is the fastest way to do mastery in the subject. It is a must-attend training for graduates and professionals who are seeking valuable education. Programs are well structured and recognized among the financial institutions worldwide. The academic programs offered by AIMS in the areas of Islamic finance includes MBA, Master Diploma and CIFE certifications. These programs are career-oriented and designed for professionals seeking better opportunities in any part of the world. Programs are offered 100% online, and the lectures can be easily managed between work and family. Certified Islamic Finance Expert is a specialized certification which is equally suitable for working professionals seeking career growth and individuals wish to join Islamic banking and finance industry. CIFE comprises of 5 courses, and it is usually completed in 3 months. On completion of CIFE, you are fully capable to manage the operations of Islamic financial products and services. Master Diploma in Islamic Finance is an advanced qualification designed for professionals seeking mastery in the area of Islamic finance. It comprises of total 8 courses, which are divided into 2 semesters. In this program, you are required to design a real work project for an institution. Average duration for the completion of Master Diploma is 6 months. On completion of this program, you are able to design an Islamic financial product and perform key roles in the establishment of new Islamic financial institution. The MBA is a 48 credit hours program, divided into 2 parts. In the first part, you study the Islamic finance elective courses, and in the second part you study the business management core courses. On completion of the first part, you are able to design Islamic financial products for new or an existing institution. On completion of Part 2, you are able to formulate, communicate, and implement strategic thinking processes, and apply your management and business skills in the context of Islamic finance. These programs have benefited thousands of professionals who are working as banker, financial consultants, accountants, lecturers, commerce professionals, insurance professionals, and people willing to get the best Islamic finance education available. AIMS qualifications have helped many graduates by increasing their salaries up to 200%. Many of AIMS graduates are now working as head of the Islamic banks and head of Islamic product development. The education is delivered through highly interactive learning contents, which are available to students anywhere, anytime. The learning platform is very flexible. Students decide their own time to study and complete the program. 24/7 academic support is available to the students. If you fulfill the eligibility criteria, you may achieve your desired qualification by following 3 simple steps. You visit our website, aims.education, and complete the online enrollment form. Within 48 hours, you will receive login details and access to study material that includes interactive lecture, comprehensive study manuals, Islamic finance library, and access to Islamic finance faculty. You study at your own pace and submit assignments as per your convenience. Once you complete your study, you simply request your final examination that is conducted online. The success ratio of students who study as per given instructions is 95%. Our curriculum is updated on regular basis to make our graduates fully aware of recent market trends.